Barrett again from Beeman Brass Works. I'm here with Ian Early. Ian is a platinum album recording artist, and he is also a member of the local Cleveland band, the Madison Crawl, and he is also a technician here at Beeman Brass Works and the Woodwind Playtester. So we have here a vintage 1950s Martin Committee Tenor, the Martin Committee Tenor with a beautiful engraving on it. You can see the pictures on the eBay page. And as always, anything you see on eBay is cheaper to buy from me directly. I will sell it to you cheaper. Screw eBay. So what's on this saxophone here? It has been completely overhauled out of shop. That means it's been disassembled, all dents removed, all tone holes leveled, all keys fit, all scratches removed. We've also repadded this instrument with Music Medic pads, the tan pads with flat metal resonators. All right, Ian's going to play a little bit for us. Awesome, dude. All right, what's the setup you got on the mouthpiece there?
This is an old school Gary Shugel Super Guns 2 8-star from about 1998, and it's seen better days, but it's all right.
What kind of lig is that? It's just a leather lid?
Just an old school Roughner.
Yeah, that's cool. All right, well, this one actually comes with the original Martin tenor mouthpiece and lig. I have the original one. And it doesn't have its own case, but I do have some really cool cases that you can have your pick from. If you want a new case, it's going to cost a little extra. All right, thanks a lot, Ian.
Yep.